Yo, what is up, guys? I'm here with a mower vlog. Yeah, I know, right? Mower vlog. Ah, shit. Mowing vlog, lawnmower vlogs, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Alrighty. There we go. Alright, guys. I'm back now. Whee! Superstar Edge. My choke's going up. I'm getting as much wind as I did on the pool of the vlogs. There we go. Shit. I was lying, am I right? Yeah, Duke Water almost crashed into the fucking tree. Yeah, I could have had her crash while videoing. That would have been fun. Woo! Woo-hoo! Yeah, you know, vlogging is fun, but I mean, I like it. I'm gonna start trying to do more vlogs, y'all. I'm gonna try to keep my word on that. Yeah, y'all. My dad did come up with fun. Alright, I'll check this out. Yeah, guys, I am making a vlog. Mower, lawn. I don't remember what the fuck I called it. I'll have to go check out the video, and then this is part 2, of course. I do love making these vlogs, riding lawnmower vlogs, and four-wheeler vlogs. I love doing this. I was going in the four-wheeler series a long time ago, but I didn't. I got comfortable after my crash. I didn't ride the four-wheeler for quite some time, and I started doing it again. You know, when I've gotten better, I stopped being really stupid on it. I mean, I still do some stupid shit, but I mean, I'm less stupid these fucking days. I had a crash about 1 year ago, almost to this exact day, I believe. And fucking, my knee's good. It was like a month later, after my fucking mower crash, I started to do a wrestling channel with my friends. We don't upload all the time because, my friend Brandon, he decided to get his dumb ass kicked out of school. I'm not really going to tell the story now. If he wants to ever tell it, he can tell it in a podcast, and it will be on a Wrestling Friend Zone channel. He'll probably explain. I'll ask him if he doesn't feel comfortable about talking about it. Oh well. I mean, maybe I'll try to peer pressure him into talking about it. I mean, he's probably comfortable. I don't know, man. But yeah, he's got the school schedule, and his parents forced him to get a job and pay rent during his school year. I mean, that's kind of a dick move by his parents, to be honest. So he has a job now. Jackson, I don't know what's up with him. I don't know. He kind of just does his own thing these days. He will wrestle for the channel. Just whenever, basically. I don't know. Shit. But doing these motor vlogs are, god dang, I have so much hair. Woo! Alright guys, fun and healthy shit. Alrighty boys. Whoa! Look at this, y'all. Woo! Woo! I tell you, that was fun. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.